In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly upload data to Excel, Power BI, or Word using Copilot and generate insightful reports based on your data. Before diving into the process, let's understand why this is beneficial. Leveraging tools like Copilot streamlines your workflow by automating repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on data analysis and decision making. Now, let's get started. First, let's upload your data. Regardless of the platform you're using, whether it's Excel, Power BI, or Word, the process is straightforward. Open your chosen application and locate the import feature. In Excel, for instance, you can typically find this under the File tab, selecting Open, and then Browse to choose your data file. Similarly, in Power BI, you'll head to the Home tab and choose Get Data. For Word, this involves inserting the data as an object or through a connection. Ensure your data file is saved in a compatible format like CSV or Excel, as this ensures a smooth import process. Once your data is uploaded, it's time to request AI-generated reports. Most modern platforms now integrate AI tools like Copilot, offering intelligent insights from your datasets. In Excel, navigate to the Analyze Data button, usually found under the Home tab, to prompt Copilot to generate a report. This AI tool will scan your data to identify trends and patterns, providing you with a preliminary report full of potential insights. In Power BI, Copilot and similar features often appear in the form of auto-generated dashboards and visuals, immediately making your data more comprehensible. Always review these AI-generated outputs to ensure they align with your objectives. Next, let's customize your report format and content. While AI provides a head start by identifying trends, personalization remains crucial. Depending on your platform, you'll have various options to adjust the report's layout, visualize data in different chart types, and add explanatory notes. In Excel, you can adjust column widths, modify chart types, and even apply conditional formatting to emphasize key figures. Likewise, in Power BI, use the Visualizations pane to experiment with chart types, hues, and fonts. Customizing not only enhances readability, but also ensures the report effectively communicates your insights to stakeholders. Finally, once you're satisfied with the report's format and content, it's time to export or share the final version. In Excel or Power BI, this process is straightforward. Use the File tab to find the Export or Save As options, converting the document into the desired format such as PDF or PowerPoint. Word users have similar functionalities under the File menu. Beyond exporting, sharing is crucial. Many platforms now offer direct sharing options through email or cloud services like OneDrive or SharePoint, enabling easy collaboration and feedback. And that's it. With these steps,